What is an AI agent? A normal chatbot answers your questions. An AI agent can understand a goal, plan the next steps, use tools, check the results, and complete a task. In this video, we will explain AI agents in simple English for beginners. An AI agent is a software system that works toward a goal. For example, you can ask it to collect this week's technology news and prepare a short report. The agent can search for information, choose relevant sources, summarize the findings, and organize the report. Here is how an AI agent works. First, it receives a goal. Second, it understands the task and creates a plan. Third, it selects tools such as web search, a database, a spreadsheet, a calculator, or an API. Fourth, it observes the result and checks whether more work is needed. Finally, it completes the task or asks a human for approval. This cycle is called an agent loop: plan, act, observe, and repeat. Good systems also use limits, error handling, and permission rules. They should not repeat forever or take risky actions without approval. The main parts are the language model, instructions, tools, memory, goal, and guardrails. The language model is the reasoning engine. Instructions explain how the agent should behave. Tools connect it to the outside world. Memory stores useful context. The goal defines the desired result. Guardrails control what is allowed and when a human must review an action. Beginners can use agents as study assistants, research assistants, coding assistants, business assistants, or content assistants. But never trust an AI result blindly. Verify important facts, protect private information, and require human approval for real-world actions. So an AI agent is more than an answer generator. It is a goal-driven system that can reason, use tools, observe results, and take controlled actions. Start with a small task, use safe tools, review the output, and improve the workflow step by step. If this video was useful, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Comment below and tell us where you would use an AI agent: study, coding, research, business, or content creation.